Ka-chow.
It was a struggle. I was freaking out.
And I literally couldn't make a left turn. Before it was like, and I would avoid left turns everywhere I went.
I wouldn't have known that that was not the price until we walked across the street to get another quote.
It was half.
Yeah. So that was shocking to see.
Learn this for yourselves so we can stop getting ripped off from the guys.
Yeah. So not only are we getting your car fixed for free, but we're also getting you a free rental car.
Yay!
Yeah, a part that was $6 would have cost me $60, 60, to take to the dealer for them to work on.
I was definitely overquoted for a lot of these things, and some of them I can do myself.
But here, she helped me today, and it saved me so much money.
I've never been under a vehicle in my life, and we got right into it. And
so it's been really helpful to just understand how my car works rather than just handing my keys off to a mechanic.
I learned what my brake pads were and where they were because I was picturing like little pads in my car, not brake pads. So
not only did T help me discover that I had a spare tire that I didn't know anything about.
So that was a lot of stuff that I learned today.
I learned how to check my tire pressure. Thank goodness we did that because I had a nail in one of my tires.
But it's all part of the fun, and I'm feeling really empowered and like
woman power.
Yeah!
It's a very empowering feeling, so I'm super excited.
Yeah, but you learned all kinds of cool stuff with tools.
Yes.
You learned all kinds of new terminology. You got really dirty. What's your arms?
Yeah, this is really dirty, but it's a good dirty.
And actually seeing it too. It's one thing to just be like, here, take my keys and fix my car, but it's one thing to be like, oh, okay, this is what's happening. This is why my car feels this way. And I don't know, I really feel empowered, like I really do, and I feel that, and just seeing her, female, badass, female, like trying to fix it and like carrying it and lifting it and using all these tools, like I never have seen that in my life, and so to see that we are capable of doing those stuff, it really makes me excited to want to learn more.
Thank you so much.
Good job.
Thanks.
Than 'you.
Yeah, thank you.
Woo!
Thank you.
Yeah.
It seems intimidating at first, but it was actually really easy, so.
Want to know more about your car or how to save money at the mechanic? You can book a group automotive info session or take an online course over at girliegarage.com. There are also a ton of free resources on the Girlie Garage YouTube and Instagram channels. If you need a consulting session or have automotive questions, my contact information is in the description below.